Hello friends, now we are going to study types of insulator. The first one is pin type insulator. So pin type insulator is basically an insulator basically above which the line will pass. Let us assume I am standing and above my head there is a conductor going. So that is kind of pin type insulator basically. I will not go into detail because the gate question will not ask on this topic. So this pin type insulator means I'm just basically saying, let us assume there is a material, there is an insulator above which the conductor will pass. So this is pin type insulator. See, this is basically used up to 33 kV and basically used in state government. Now the second one is suspension insulator. You would have seen, let us assume one tower and through cross arm the conductor should have passed, so there would be an insulator. So this is the group of disc, basically the conductor will pass like this. So this group of insulator will called as suspension insulator. Basically suspension insulator used above 11 kV, any kind of, for any voltage this suspension insulator will definitely be present there over there. Now the third one is strain type insulator. What is strain type insulator? Strain type insulator means there would be a dead end. Dead end means, let us assume this is the tower, and this is the tower, and the transmission line has to pass like this. So what we'll do basically, if this tower, so there would be an insulator, like this, and there would be an insulator like this. So this has to cross, this is basically 90 degree, this angle is 90 degree, but I can't show here. So it is like this. So this conductor will come like this, conductor will come like this and pass like this. So blue color with conductor, it's like this, conductor will come like this and conductor will go like this, and there would be an insulator that will be providing mechanical strength as well as insulation from this tower. So this is basically strain type insulator. So now the fourth one is Sackel insulator. Sackel insulator is basically different from these, and now these days Sackel insulator have not been used practically. But I will tell you about Sackel insulator. You would have been seen a pulley like this. There is a tower and there is a cross sectional pulley, and this pulley is made of insulator. So whatever the conductor will come, I am drawing with blue pen, whatever the conductor will come, this will go like this, and there will be no contact between this tower and any kind of material. It will only, you will see like the rope goes through the pulley and it did not touch any tower, any supporting end. So this is the exactly same like this. So Sackel insulator was used up to 11 kV, but practically it not been used. Practically it is not been used. Practically it is not been used. So this is an overall idea of types of insulator. I'm not going into detail, but if you want to understand on gate basis, so this is the maximum thing you would know. So this is all about types of insulator. Thank you.